We're going to add some padding and some margin to our design to make it look a bit cleaner. Notice how this top article image is right up on our banner. In the finished one, you notice we have a little bit of space here. Also notice in our finished piece, there's a lot of space between the read more of the first article and the picture of the second. In the state of our page right now, it's too close together. So let's do this first. Let's add some padding between this banner and our first article. So remember, our first article is located in a container called features, an ID of features. So let's go into that and use that ID to add some top padding to separate this whole group of content away from our banner. So we'll go right up here. We'll come right in under the banner wrapper and give it a space, and we're going to use our ID of features. So there's hashtag features, curly braces, and let's just add some padding to the top. So we'll go padding dash top colon, and let's put in about 15 pixels. And let's save that and give it a look. See if that's enough padding. We'll refresh, and there is. That looks much nicer. If we make it wider, our padding still works there. So now let's go down and let's add some space between the bottom of the first article after the read more and the picture at the top of our second article. So we're going to be very specific on this. We're going to go down and look at our containers for a minute. Notice that here's our container of features, but let's actually say inside of our features, use each article inside of the features and give it a bottom margin of 60 pixels to push each of the articles away from each other. So let's go back up and write that CSS. So after this features padding top, I'm going to write a new rule, and I'm going to once again use the ID area of the features, and then I'm going to say specifically use the HTML5 semantic tag of article to make it very specific where we're going to add the margin bottom to this. So I'm going to say article, give it some curly braces, and just say margin dash bottom. We'll put, let's try 60 pixels. And I'm choosing margin bottom because I don't want to push the top of the article in the first one away from anything else. I want to just push the bottom of the articles away. So we'll save that, go back and refresh. And that's really cool because look at this now. We didn't increase the distance up here. We wanted to keep that just a little bit difference by using the padding top on the features, but on each of the articles we've added a bit more space between the bottoms of them. Alright, that cleaned that up a little bit.